Greetings, cannabis friends. Hope you are doing well. I just received some new syringe applicators for our Rick Simpson oil or full extract cannabis oil, and I thought it'd be cool to do an unboxing of them. So they're super cool. The way that it typically comes is in these plastic syringes. Like this is a 10 gram, this is a 1 gram syringe, and this is what a 1 gram syringe looks like empty, right? So people are often worried about the quality of their RSO, if it's pristine, comes from, it's extracted properly, that has the proper solvents, food grade, ethanol, all that kind of stuff. But it comes in plastic syringe applicators, and there's nothing really wrong with it. It works, right? But it's what I took to, and what I got my eyesight back with from when I went blind from glaucoma and all that kind of stuff. And it's what we've been using for years. But glass would be better, right? And I'm pristine with everything, with food, with supplements, with cannabis oils, everything. And so I found these cool glass applicators, and let's see what they look like. They look good online, and I've gotten some good reviews on them. So let's see. Oh, it's pretty cool. So they come in this little container here. And let me see what they pull out. All right, so yeah, so it looks pretty cool. They come complete together. This is a glass syringe, right? And it's has a metal plunger. So the plunger in the body's plastic, and then the little plunger that shoves the contents through, that shoves the oil through, is plastic as well. And so it's plastic upon plastic upon plastic. And this is this little tip, the cap is plastic, but what comes in contact with the oil is the body is glass, and the syringe plunger is metal. So it's super, super awesome. Let me see if I can take this off here. So there's a cap that screws on to prevent the oil from from coming out, when you're not using it. And then let's see. Let me pull this out. Boom. So this right here, I don't know if you hear that or if you, but this is metal. It's like a copper. It's like a chrome copper, So it's a goldish chrome and metal, and there's like some three little silicone rings around the tip of it here which make it secure inside of the glass right here, and so nothing leaks out or anything from out the top. And then let's see, take off my glasses here. There's some cool graduated numbers. Let's see if you can see that up in there. So yeah, but it looks super cool, right? I really like these things. And let me see the numbers here. So yeah, the numbers don't go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They go from 0 to 0.2 to 0.4 to 0.6 to 0.8 to 1.0 milliliters. So this is a 1 milliliter or 1 gram syringe, and there are lines in between. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 lines is 0.1 milliliters. You never really use that small of an amount. With you would typically you would use like I guess you might use 25 milligrams, but if you're doing like you're trying to overcome some kind of a condition, like even just starting out, you probably start out at 50 milligrams, and so which would be like what is that? So if there's 4 lines is 0.2, which is 200. So 2 lines is 100. So 1 line is 50 milligrams, right? So each one of the lines here is 50 milligrams, which is a basic dose. So that's pretty cool. And then let me see. I'm just testing like how smooth it runs, and it seems to run really, really smooth. Like compared to one of these kind of syringes, the plastic ones. Like if I pull it out, this one has a little bit more control in it. I would hope so, because they cost a lot more, and the materials are a lot better. But yeah, these are super, super cool. I really, really enjoy these. They're super pretty. The metal and the glass is something that I personally enjoy, and I do take this stuff myself. So I want everything to be as pristine as possible. As mentioned, like this is the way we've been doing it for over a decade. And in the syringes, but I've always like tried to steer people towards doing the capsules, which is like this right here, the capsules, because they come in a glass bottle, and they're vegan caps, they're specialized capsule that'll hold oil without having to be banded and stuff like that. So these are super cool in and of themselves. And then we got the tinctures, that for the RSO, which are these right here, easy to put out a measured dose. And this is like a large bottle. It's like twice the size of a normal tincture bottle. So it's almost 2 ounces, 50 milliliters, but it holds it holds a lot. But I have in the tincture bottle, one of these 10-gram syringes. So it's 10 grams, 10,000 milligrams. There's one of those in this bottle. So this bottle has 10 grams or 10,000 milligrams of full extract cannabis oil in it, right? Or Rick Simpson oil. But I've always preferred doing the tincture or the capsules because they are packaged in glass. And now that we have these glass syringes with the metal plungers, because even with the glass syringes before that, because I've gotten them in the past, but they still have a plastic plunger, and the whole thing around it is like either plastic or rubber or something, so that and it comes in contact with the oil and all this kind of stuff. So that was like a deal breaker for me. And with this, there are silicone rings around the plunger, the tip of it, right? Like there's silicone rings that are around the tip right here, but that never comes in contact with the oil. The only thing that comes in contact with the oil is this flat part right here, and it's metal. So the silicone rings are behind what would come in contact with the oil, okay, and it just helps with the control of the smoothness and being able to put out super small doses, like just one line at a time to get that 50 milligrams. So with the plastic syringe, it's it's always in contact, because the body is plastic, the plunger is plastic, but the tip is also like an even like softer, like rubbery kind of. It's either a rubbery kind of plastic, like a soft plastic, or a rubber in and of itself, which I'm not sure what that material is made out of, but it is soft, so maybe that has a possibility of whatever. But like you said, I prefer these, and I really do enjoy these. So, and I'm really looking forward to having these on the market, and I'll show another video shortly showing them what they look like filled. Okay, so that's it for the unboxing. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about RSO or FICO, just reach out to us, support@myfitlife.net. And remember to like and subscribe to our channel to get the word out, and for the algorithms, all that kind of stuff. Again, this is Al Morenton with Cannabis Friends and 420 Buzz, where a friend with weed is a friend indeed. I hope you have a beautiful day. Peace.